Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see the GPIO viewer of TaSMOTA. Flash the TaSMOTA.bin into ESP32. Set the network credentials. Go to Configuration and set the GPIOS as shown. Click Tools and select GPIO Viewer. This is the GPIO's viewer which shows the status of all the GPIOs. Let us vary the LED intensity by changing the PWM value and check this in GPIO Viewer. Now let us change the status of other GPIOs and check the status. This pin is defined as switch. Let us connect ground to this pin and check the status. This is the indication of Wi-Fi, which is on. Now we come to know how to use GPIO viewer from TaSMOTA. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again, and have a good time.